Then casino, when they talk about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and they talk am before. I said, I know they like kill myself. Either you come or you go. Then I don't know if I get problem. Casino, not take your problem force on people. If you know you are a 2 minutes man, keep it to yourself. Leave other people to do 5 hours. Have you find out? Check American girl. If you are here, you never touch American woman before, please do. But the best that we advise you is India. Women learn. Sometimes men spend 2 hours, 1 hour on your top. Why? You don't give us good sound track. Sound track. The beauty of love making is the sound. When you touch an American woman, you go hear the voice. When I travel to America, Your Excellency, Oyibo woman almost kill me. When you hear the voice, oh my God, are you sure you're from Africa? And they tell her, from Africa. Worry precisely. He said, continue. When they fire, they hear voice. They look at your eyes. That is called love making. Then they look your eyes. Then they kiss you. They are in control. Then they tell you, oh baby, come on. Hug me, come on, touch it. Then they force you. They talk to you. Come on, baby, hit me up. Now that control, now they move you. Hit me up, pull me up, take me up, power, hit me up. Now start the carry, pull me down. Oh my, squeeze my breast. Oh my ear, oh my ear, oh my ear, oh my. Come on, you good. Now one word when the woman they talk, they want to keep me through it. Come on, you go call me African lion. Continue. Hey! When I hear so you both they call me African lion, I said today, now you go die put. Because I knew I was representing the whole of Africa. And anything that will make me fail, Africa don't fail. When she shout, African lion continue. Yeah. Now so I lift and warrior. Now put her journal again. African lion, tiger, move it. Ah! But you hear sound, you hear control. That is love making. Even when they are kissing you, you they see their eyes, they move, they look at you. You know, say do something. Try India. Only their soundtrack, Your Excellency, you don't need to spend 2 minutes. 45 seconds, you don't come. When you hear India, when they see your road, go untaya. Once they hit you, they hear that that is India. African women, especially the Nigerian women, please work on yourself. Work on your soundtrack. Since 1960, Nigeria gained independence. You've not freed yourself from mental slavery. One sound, over 50-something years. That sound alone can turn you off. Give us good sound track. Baby, hit me, touch me, kiss me. Oh my God, you are there, deeper, faster, move it. That sound you don't come. Wait till they do now. One sound since 1960. No love for now they do. Work on yourself. You go hammer Nigerian woman, boom. You go lay your one your son. You go again. You go back, run later. You go the hammer. Hammer. You go banner. You go down. You go sit down. You go roll your waist. Then you go come. You go roll the waist. You go call the enter their head. You say she want change. You call here. They go brush touch, come back, you go eat her. The worst one be say, as you able to do that, said, it go good. Now this one where they talk like they will vex me. He gave it go hit and reach. When they do, she go call look you. You never stay calm. Work on your soundtrack. Thank God, election is coming up in Benin by December. Obaseki dey here. Shaibu dey here. Where Shaibu? Huh? Where for front? Your Excellency, I greet you. Sorry, I beg you for close your ears at the crack joke. You know that's how they do. Now what to tell the shop be this? So I loved him so much. Now man, when they stand for waiting believe. You know my problem with you? Area, you talk, you not talk. Let me talk. Now lie now before. Your Excellency, now the time when money not there, now they shout, you talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk and die. Your Excellency, that time you see me 27 years ago, you go no say true, I really want die. Now, I know they talk like that again, no. Nah, I talk, I live. I not talk, I live. Let me talk, come talk and die. Your Excellency, election is coming up. I will advise you. The way you they go. And they see Amo. You know why? My uncle joined party during the time of NROC and SDP. Now, that time they shout, go and contest, go and contest, go and contest. Nigeria, they go hear you. Can't leave you. Then SDP, now the PDP of now. NROC, now the APC of now. My uncle not join those two. He go join QQ. When did this start? I know the Greek gun poster. I don't already know where the result they go. During the time of NROC or SDP, if they call result, you know my uncle for contest, Delta State. The population of Delta State is not more than 7 million. But when they read result in the morning, NROC, I stand near my uncle. 10 million 555,200. If I shot Ibabu. SDP 25 million. Now my uncle asked me, say Ganevere, I say sir. Now Nigeria election I do. When they won't call my uncle result, now 2 times they are shatter. QQP. QQP. 22. Your Excellency, my uncle, now they faint. When I go greet my uncle for hospital, where Ghana must go? Ghana must go. I beg come. I want to speak to Robo. Make Ghana must go. Ghana must go. Ladies and gentlemen, please put hands together for Ghana must go, please. Maybe they interpret. Your Excellency, when I go greet my uncle for hospital in the morning, he did bed. They put 12 drip. One for this ear, another one for ear, another one for nose. In Procos, they put 4. When I go greet her, just they take me like my uncle. Then Ghana must go, that day I go die. Yeah, what my uncle do when he see me, that's what first. Now he greet me, though.
He said, well done.
What really?
You come.
Ah, wow. In election, either.
Now so election be.
If we turn contest, error.
The people will say contest, where they did.
But they have just surprising me.
But they surprise me.
They have both surprising me.
Thing they surprise me.
It result to na.
This result.
If only Canary.
People come out from Ghana come.
But if only Cotonou.
Abi people come out from Cotonou.
Or the data na do election in.
Not be Delta State they do this election.
Now wow. When you go to any contest, I protest.
The people will say contest, they not protest.
Oh yeah, I accept the result now.
Now they say they don't accept the result too.
Now wow.
Wait till they pay me now.
If family has a share.
For where our family they now Adofe.
Hi. Genevere.
You call the name.
We go no money away.
I won't warn you.
Anything politics.
Anything politics.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
For this result.
Because when they call result,
what's a war?
You fit die.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Area. That was why when Peter Obi was contest, Nigeria was shouting, obedient. Truly, are we really obedient? The answer is yes. We are tired of the political class. We are tired of the frustration. We are tired of the hunger. Everybody shout, change. I don't already know where. I respect Peter Obi. For the very first time in the history of our politics, he made a son of nobody to become a senator. For the very first time, a man came out and the whole country stood by him. There's a signal sending to the politicians. So we are tired. They have pushed us to the wall. Your Excellency, when did they go? I don't already know. When they call the result, you know Gani Fawemi. Now make me see the Senate test. Relax after the result. Gani Fawemi na son. In case you don't understand, son, senior advocate of Nigeria. Now that they judge case, they send people to jail. Son with white wig. Now in Nigeria they shout, you are the people president. Contest. Your Excellency. Gani Fawemi came out to contest. When they announced the result, NROC 30 million, SDP 42 million. They go announce EO. Conscious Party 2. Your Excellency, you know what shocked me? When they watch, when a old senior advocate of Nigeria, when they watch out for NTA, you know what Gani Fawemi they talk? His voice copy like Peter Obi. See what he call they talk. Wow. On earth will I have 2 votes? Now only one thing they talk to Your Excellency. Let's assuming they listen to us and they thought they go. You go know why the man they assume. Let's assume I voted for myself. And my wife also voted for me. What about the partition? Let's assume it. My area people did not vote for me. Let's assume. Let's also assume that the people in the party did not vote for me. Or eight. Will I have to vote? Let's assume it. The guy assume. When they call her for put up pan, they say, let me go and assume my cough. Can you follow me? When they call result of Labour Party, for the very first time in the history of Nigeria, when Tinubu they contest, people they shout, he they shake, he they shake, he they shake, Jagaban, he they shake, Jagaban, he they shake, Jagaban, hand they shake, Jagaban, he hand they shake, Tinubu they fall. CC win. He don't fall. He hands still they shake. Tinubu na 419. He was playing the Northerners when Buhari was contesting. Now some people said if he died, Osibajo to take over. Buhari, when he did for 8 years, he got even fresh past me and you. Jagaban, they look for back. It's okay, this is why they walk. When they come, the Northerners still say go soon die. Then they tell their people, that is not what your demand will soon die. If he die, Shetima will take over. For where? Now they job. Then they talk, Tinubu and they shake. He had those shakes. Now Tinubu they talk, now the full country they shake. Would they ever beg and make it not talk again, make the country not shake? So when I announced the result, Your Excellency, I sent Your Excellency test. I say, Your Excellency, you have done well. Congratulate Nigeria that stood by you. Thank them. He called back. No, says I didn't come. He said, I'm going to court. I tell him, no court. Nigeria court na cutlass. Now cutlass, I'm going to court. You go the first court. You go the second. Area! Area! You talk! You not talk! Let me talk! And live will not be dying. But then, Your Excellency, the reason I'm talking to you is this. You are very young. That is why Edo State people stood by you and Obaseki. And do you know the signal? Talk back. The very first time in the politics of Nigeria that we had a deputy governor stood by his master. The very first time. They not by your conscience. You stood by your master. For the very first time, the people of Edo State proved to those that have the power that the power of the people is bigger than those in power. They voted for you people. I was not really expecting this. Area. Make I talk. Your Excellency, now they say my talk. For the very first time, after the election, the same people that stood for you people, I am building investment plan in Edo State, worth over $6 million. Una come. Destroy. If God give you power to lead, do everything that the next generation will remember you. I'm only telling you people that the next 50, 60, 100 years, me and you not go there yet. You can only be remembered by your work for humanity. You talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk and die. You don't always go everybody event. You show support to entertainers. I respect you for that. You know why? You are very young. Now Kabaka advice when I do my show, so make I go carry native daughter. Your Excellency, he said the native daughter go rain. I said, but rain not go fall. He said, carry. Your Excellency, to say I follow my conscience, I will not listen to Kabaka. As I carry the man around 4, weather change. 6 o'clock, rain they fall. Now I call Kabaka. Say rain dey fall. He said the man dey walk. 7 o'clock, I call Kabaka again. He say, the man dey walk now. They clear the rain. I said, every rain dey fall. 9 o'clock. Now Kabaka test me the man number. Now I call. I say, Pa, where you dey? He said, dey palace. I said, what you dey do? He said, you know the city. Rain home before here. Now God dey hurry. Man not dey hurry. Area. Money, they finish. Now your mouth and your works, now go leave. The day when I start to the answer, I go die. I know. Say one day. Just now, he said he spent how many million? 37 million. Someone will say, hey, na lie. Your SLS na truth. You don't, me, he never spent. If to say I won't pay my professional fee na 20 million, now beg. It be like politician with NAP. Now take day here. We don't go do show before. I don't talk am before. And I go talk am again so that you understand and I go. We don't go do show before for Kaduna, Your Excellency. The guy bring whiskey, Davido, Burna Boy. You know how much whiskey they charge? Whiskey charge 700 million. With that is small body. With 2 private jets. One are for him, the other one are for a club. God said we can't go Kaduna. The guy carry 4 big stars. P-Square, Whiskey, Davido, Burna Boy, Igodye, Godons. Kaduna. I call they wonder. This guy want contest for president. Who give her money? But some people get mad so they talk to you, you will come up from your palace. So just the way casino they talk to me, take on you. And so the guy talk to us. Me, Your Excellency, they don't give me 50%. As Davido, they do rich, 50%. Whiskey, 50%. Now only P-Square, now I collect 80%. Igbo man. When we land, the way the guy tell they greet us, see the guy's voice. Oh boy, good day, man, you are too much. People are expecting you. Man, come and talk to the people. Whiskey. That's what the guy get shot. If you see the show, na stadium, I don't know, say the guy don't first talk, say one bring Arokeli. Come Kaduna. Arokeli, the time when want to come Kaduna, now that time they take send her to prison. So the guy just want to build his image back. Hausa people, once they make up their mind, they don't make up their mind. As they go stadium, that if you see crowd, Your Excellency, stadium full go outside. Now in the morning when the guy they can't give us money, now say we have people of integrity. Since Ghana must go, now the guy carry come, want to pay us. When he waka carry the Ghana must go, people follow and carry him. When he come, all of us sit down for bar with the gist. As we see him, Igbo man, P-Square knows, now first smell the balance. He say, oh, now the guy don't come with our balance. Now so we pause. But when the guy start to talk, as a worry boy, I don't already know where they go. Now the first thing we come up for a man, una door. His voice lost. Una door. Una try well. Hey, una come on shave for my eye. Davido, you try. Yeah, you try. We don't already know where they go. At once the phone ring, he pick. Hello? Not be wife, not me. My voice not lost. My voice lost. He got full. Somebody can say, want to talk to my wife. And they tell us, that me, they argue. That's where ask, what did do your voice? Now they start. Now I explain. You see that crowd of yesterday? Nobody pay. When we don't hear nobody pay, we don't already know say problem day. Everybody just look themselves. The guy continue. You know, Sabi, one bring Arokele when mess up.
Now make me say, make I do this one. As the crowd come, now so they push the gate. Soldier, what we put for them, they shout, go back. Even me, they shout, go back, go back. I expect a lot. Go back, go back. I expect a lot. Before I see, now they for the gate. Now everybody enter. What I go do? Not be person die now.
Igbo man they get B square. Nice thing confirm. What it on the Ghana must go now our balance.
No! And this son I don't go believe. Now the ticket. I go there line. See VIP now. See VIP, see regular, see this, see this.
Sir, this time we not say we just strand. We came in from Lagos. I want to go back now. That be the problem. God does now ask one smart question. I will take go back. Now the guy, he always put that is very good question. The guy will say,
Okay, that is very good question. Now make me bring this God is good motto. If he move now, at least before tomorrow evening, when I don't reach.
now that thing I verse Davido. Because this is what we decide that meeting. We not see whiskey. Now that thing I verse Davido. Now Davido say, what nonsense. I flew the way from Lagos to here. You are telling me to enter bus to go back to Lagos. Can you try this rubbish to whiskey? Now the guy say,
Talk for yourself. Oh. Now yesterday night, now see whiskey for lift. I go explain to her. Whiskey is when they give her 2 more pounds. Now that night, now I come out.
Area. You talk, you die. You not talk. Let me talk and leave. It's been a wonderful night. I want to celebrate my friend, my brother. Please put your hands together for MC Casino. Well done. Not like that. That's why you know what pay me back last night you did so. I want to ask you, how the show they go? Make it not be say your voice not like. How the show they go? Hey.
Well, on the white period cloth. You say you need a swear for that. I don't understand though. Wait, yeah, they don't accept her for Bible. Say fornication is real. You were fornicating. The man was fornicating. God not a sinner. God not give you answer your swear. Not evil devil. Stop deceiving yourself. Say I swear for her. My sister, if you waka waka, boy break your heart. Take her like that. Not to say gods, they answer your swear. There are important issue where the gods they deal with. That be fuck matter. Area. You talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk. Now before, not be now.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the one and only pathfinder of Nigerian stand-up comedy business. Make some noise for Igodye. Show just a start. And don't begin a cappella MC voice, magics. Everybody does the building. Awesome. Bingo.
Give me the one you use. Area. I've been a sit down, I beg. Not be smart, you know. This one they light everywhere like this. Oh boy. Please put your hands together for my friend, my brother, my colleague, MC Casino. It's not easy. He talks on this, I just listen, I can't just laugh. He say poor man get excuse way. When you call They advise you against say children when they put for school na waste. Casino, you there? You there? I said, now you they tell them, or say poor people when person buy house, he goes how many room he wants stay. If person do this, but I can't shock. Say that you call they say they put some pikin for school na waste. Pikin birthday na waste. Now say you don't make a but the poverty mentality never still leave you. Area. Now you talk am now. There is a level you get to. Who you be, now you be. Money cannot change anyone's reason. No matter the amount you make, money not going to change how you think. So don't make money. Now I say do birthday. See birthday 6 million. I spend 6 million for my son birthday. To you don't spend though. You don't. I know. So you try 6 million at your age. Birthday. Say the people come they cry. Abi? So you can't advise people when get their own money. Oh. May they not see spend like that because your people go cry. Not be advice with that. My friend, come and go sleep. Keep your advice to yourself. Waiting work for you, if you not work for another person. Waiting work for that person, if you not still work for you. If na advice, the country go take good. Every state for no better because no governor will not get 40 personal advisor. Area, what if picking come out? What if you get out? You cannot say your husband not be Urobomano. You say you don't do this, Masaba. You even remember the hotel. Even call the hotel name. That man will do this, so I love is what they do. For you to remember that hotel name. Aye! Love is what you cannot go say your husband not be Urobomano. God, I am. You must see the ghost. Just imagine that the video your family people now go cut out. Uroboma, then they take this. Then they see joke. You will not marry. They go take crowd. So you don't do this. Eh? God even mention the hotel. You say, okay, the hotel. Ha. When you mention, I can't imagine. What did that guy do? Where that name of that hotel? Still there your head. Because when she said she don't marry, not be 11 days old, not be 6 months old. She said, I've been in marriage for 11 years. Man, you still remember? Your husband get to improve on a performance level. So that go wipe that old memory. They get to obey you well, not you well. Then she got a Saturday. He say, my ex, I swear for her, I nick her. Yeah. What on the wife, he wear cloth. You say you nick her, swear for her. I don't understand though. Wait oh, yeah, they don't accept her for Bible. Say fornication is real. You were fornicating. The man was fornicating. God, not a sinner. God not give you answer your swear. Not evil devil. Stop deceiving yourself. Say, I swear for her. My sister, if you waka, waka, boy, break your heart. Take her like that. Not to say, God, they answer your swear. There are important issue where the gods they deal with. That be fuck matter. Area. You talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk. Now before, not be now. Now I talk, I live. The gods are very important. Attending to important issues. People were never born. People who want marry. The country where they fight war. Army where they kill. How they want to catch the people where do one. Important thing. Not be fuck when you fuck. You do. Enjoy. Can't tell the guy say you are so lovely. Gossip them. Say they go break her heart now. And there they say I swear. Who they fear swear again? Swear. Not swear you want swear. Not they work. Even the gods can be bribed. Married woman can wipe and bribe the gods. If he carry anything, this is not your go and they tell the servant. Anything don't period, the gods will say, we are behind you, go fuck. Your husband is a stingy man, we understand, go. Fuck, oh, fuck. You're there, they say, it will not work. What affects me? Your girlfriend there. Yes, ladies, don't kill yourself. Relationship is not a do or die. She got a shot. Say, the boy can never make her. Say, God, don't they talk. Now you now just say, the boy, you know, people make her, not say a joke, now she take her the joke. All those things when she talk, she just talk come to, you understand? Not be say the thing happen, no. Because now they take something specs in our way. And I joke, like she they joke, all those things, when they measure out. This work hard though, you go even insult your papa. You know, say casino, they say, my father na beach, na this, na that. All na just to, not be saying me na my papa watch this thing. You can never see this performance where casino tell insult the papa for anywhere. See all the people here, they go to the helicopter, my papa say, come on this. Don't worry, picky, you're not going to see her. So my job let you know, say, na just joke. Now she just take out the joke. They call the praise Igbo men. Say Igbo men, they are very nice. Yes! Igbo Kwenu! Igbo Kwenu! These are the people I so much love in Nigeria. Igbo people. Without the Igbo, no Nigeria. I respect the Igbo. My next life, I like come as an Igbo man. Everything when they happen for this country today, now Igbo they keep them floating. If not for the Igbo, we for don't die. How many of una go fit buy original jeans? $600. But the Igbo, that they clothe us with chimpanzee. But please, my appeal to the Igbo. I like your production level. Please, if you they produce, find who go school. When go they write the real name of the things when you produce, when go fit the speller correct. How can you produce cloth? Logo correct. Color correct. But the spelling wrong. You produce Gucci, you call right Gucci. Versace, Versace. Adidas now waiting. Adada. But I love the Igbo. They know what they are doing. They know so if you go sue them. And you take them to court, they win you. Now that's all now. It's not to Versace. Look at it. It's a Versace. If Versace come in next life, you're not going near Nigeria. If you see what people don't take Versace design and stay to, you go run. Versace that I don't lose it that dances for Igbo. Now flavor that they use. Igbo people, I love them. Igbo, 7 years old boy, now he deceived me by woman trousers, say that unisex. He said, oh, now is your size, is your size. I said, let me test it. He said, no, need. It's your size. I look at you, we're 38. True, 38. Now they wear. I carry trouser rich as I pull it. This nyash go. He hip go from. Now small picky got say,
Not be woman trouser.
Igbo. When you return the thing, you can never meet who said that thing for you. Nigerians need to study the Igbo. Study them. If you want to grow, study the Igbo. That is why we appeal to the federal government to empower the Igbo. Empower them. These are the Chinese of Nigeria. No, they are not the Indians. They are the Chinese of Nigeria. Federal government need to empower them. Igbo man like enjoyment. They talk just now say, hey. No, I love the Igbo. No joke. Please, Igbo, put your hands together for yourself. 30 years I've been holding this microphone. 30 years. Not be 3 days, not be 4 days. One of my first joke for life. I say Oyibo call Nigeria. Now he carry one and shower. As he won't wipe the shower Nike. He look, he not see beer. No, so you go like, for pussy. He look again, not see, now he go shout. Excuse me? Grass, there. I shall no answer. But you both continue. Excuse me, I'm asking. Grass, there. Now worry, get reply. Grass, you talking about grass? Yes. Road where motor they pass every day. Grass they grow for there. Carry your keke pass because Australia don't pass here before. Area. Not be smarty. When you see somebody waka like this, his pocket not swell up and he get mine na dollars. Oh, why dog? Pounds. No, not dollar, they share now pounds. Now 20 pounds. $100. Wait, I want you one question. Now this money you carry camera come do. Just 120 pounds. You carry your wife. Come and take. Come take. Take. Let me give you. Take. Now pounds to throw. Now I know say na dollars and pounds. Bros, God bless you. No, I don't know what you dey do. I don't know your hand job. I don't know what you are doing. But I know say EFCC not go cash you. Inside of them to cash you, may they cash me. That is my prayer. Area. Instead of them to cash out, may they cash me. So that I can go point them where you did. May they not go cash wrong people. Because the only innocent people, people not commit anything. I go show as I know the man. See I here. Anything they do, my brother, no matter people criticize you, believe in yourself, focus. Those who criticize you, pray for them to be alive. Because they don't know when they go praise you. Whoever believes they will praise Buhari. Not be Buhari that they praise now. If they this thing now, they take toothpick, they clean him out. So I said it, Nigeria, they will hear me. They are hailing me now. But what they go shock me be saying after we call the press Tinubu tomorrow. So if it is Tinubu, if not Tinubu, this is what they shout how. I don't know how old you do, but I will protest for MK Abiola election. We don't take when we understand this country. Anything we see, we take her like that. Obasanjo called that time, we not see shots. Hey, Obasanjo come out. We not the president. If our people take her, during the time of Obasanjo, fuel was so. Not be so. If you get sense now, the buy fuel keep. Because Tinubu come out, we don't know what will happen. Who believes that for this country, now cement people to the brag. Cement 30,005? Cement to them they look before it become gold. But guess what? For you to leave Nigeria, you must pretend to be a man who will soon die. I'm telling you. Do not put on the biggest 419. Put me on camera, not the fear. Put me on camera. Biggest 419 in Nigeria. The chance say G-boy. G-boy, they play 419. Do not put on the content that time, they fought. This is Nigeria, like I said, will soon die. So they say, if you just say, you enter safe, it's not going to last, it will come out. La la. Since then, when it don't fall again, not be the country they fall. And are they very surprised for now? Comedians, now they come out, even worry became, see, measure fork. What? They record this thing. You just come on stage, I casino, this is your show. Please, put brand. For see, these men are commissioners, senators, you they shout fork. Very wrong. They record them and they go upload that. You don't say, oh, I go fork. You don't say, I go fork. How can you be doing that? When with a crack joke, you don't even hear weed before you not college and say, I go fork. We don't talk about fork. Fork. Children, they here. It's wrong because of the kids. Don't say fork. Even the children when understand fork, if they come out, they'll go to the answer, mama, I heard casino say fork. What do you begin? Fork. This one say fork. Please reduce your fork. Because of the crowd. You know the crowd joke. You know it's very nice. They don't say comedians are too raw. I got the crack joke at my age, 30 years. Come crack joke, one mic on the chat say, fuck. I live, wait till I talk, make I talk my next joke. You get one girl when I fuck, Since it don't be fuck joke, people just say fuck the goof. Me, see, to your mind now you protect me. I stand here now, you know where we go, we grow for Kumagba. For worry, now with the thief, mommy water sacrifice. We will not die, and now we won't die. You go carry far water, go serve gods. We know, say the gods, not they send you. And the fantasy, they throw around you with the swim, they come home. With the whole lot, they want mommy water, say help us, you know, help us, we will continue to strand you. Nothing, they kill us, nothing. Nothing. You know they call me. Find out. Okumagba, Iyara. I don't stay on there. Nothing they happen. This one will not fear anything, no casino. Delta State will not fear anything. Okay. I know the old. You want to make I old before? We know the old though, my brother. Even our rod self, not the old. Everything. Yeah. You don't say a Buddha, you know Buddha bottle. Now this one Bible see that the shark greater he that is he. And he that is of the world. Hallelujah.